Hi, I'm Dr. Margaret Winters, Great River Chiropractic and Whole Body Health. Today I want to talk a little bit about the inner thigh. I hear about a lot of people complaining that their IT band is super tight. That's the iliotibial band that runs from the ilium, i.e. the pelvis, down to the tibia, which is the leg, the primary leg bone. Okay, so here's the thing. It's meant to be tight. It can be overly tight, but it really is meant to be tight. It's a lateral stabilizer along with the glutes. We don't want it floppy. We want it to be providing stability along that line. So people overwork and over focus on this, and they forget about the medial line. Here's the thing. Body's a column, leg's a column. We got a front side, back side, outside, inside. They all need to be strong and toned. Otherwise you get unbalanced forces and things don't work as well as they might. So let's talk a little bit about how to engage that inner thigh. All right, I'm going to show you a pretty simple positional stretch that tones that inner thigh adductor set of muscles. So you're going to flare out to 10 o'clock, 2 o'clock, get a little bit of pelvic engagement, always helpful. Get some external rotation at the hip, get your pants out of the way. Take a nice deep breath and just sink down. The reason for this external rotation is you want your knee pointing out toward the little toe or middle toe, not collapsing in toward the big toe, because as you can see, that's hyper awkward and not stable at all. As soon as I get that external rotation, pelvic engagement, I've got a lot more stability in this position. This is why sumo wrestlers can actually work from this position. I'm not going that low, no way. This may be as low as you want to go. This may be as low as you want to go. You got to work into this and pay attention to what works for you. But if you want to go all the way down, and I'm not going all the way down, I'm just going down far enough that I can get my elbows inside my knees, I'm going to put my hands together, and I'm going to use this stability to push outward with my elbows into my inner thigh. Okay, that's a lot of stretch for me. I don't usually go that deep. But there you have it. That's a very simple, gradual stretch that you can tone your inner thighs. There are lots of other things that you can do to tone the inner thigh, but you want it engaged, and this will balance out the lateral line. So if you're feeling brave, be cautious, but be brave. Give it a whirl.